Hello, children. Welcome back. I believe that you are safe in your family. Please stay at home and be safe. Today, we are going to do writing skill. Writing topic for today is story writing using an outline. At the end of this lesson, you will learn how to write a story based on the given outlines. The outline describes a sequence of events with characters in the form of points or short phrases. Before that, we will see the guidelines of story writing. Guidelines for writing a story. An interesting plot is essential for a good story. The characters in the story must appear real. The story should have a beginning, middle, and an end. The story should end with an interesting note. In order to make the story appealing to the readers, various adjectives and phrases is used for description of people, places and action. The story should carry a message to a reader. While writing stories with given outlines, we should remember these points. Read the outlines, given clues, and try to understand the main plot of the story. A story should be given a suitable title. The story should be written in simple language and in past tense. Children, please note, write the story in the past tense, even if the outline may be provided in the present tense. Do not leave out any point and maintain the order of the event. Connect every part so that it appears to be linked. At last, write the moral of the story. Now, one sample question. Read the given outlines and form a story with suitable title. A poor farmer, a saint visited the village, gets a wonderful hen, lays a golden egg daily. Farmer becomes rich, richer, wants to be richest, cuts it, finds no gold. So now children, we develop these points into a complete story. Let's think about the title of the story since the story is about a farmer. Let's develop these points into a complete story. First, we have to write the title. Please note that the main words in the title begin with capital letters. The greedy farmer. Once there lived a farmer in a village. He was very poor. A saint visited the village. He took pity on the farmer. He gave the farmer a wonderful hen that gave one golden egg every day. The farmer grew rich, but he was greedy and wanted to be the richest. He wanted to get all the eggs for once. So he took a knife and cut the hen's stomach to extract all the golden eggs once for all. But he could find nothing. He was sad and disappointed. The farmer could get no more gold. He became poor again. So children, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is greed is curse. Means you should always remember greed is curse. This means that if you become greedy, then one day you will think that the thing which is causing greed is a curse and will destroy your life, and before you realize it is too late. So we should never be greedy. This is your home assignment. Read the given outlines and form a story with suitable title. Tortoise walking on the road. It's seen by a hare. Hare laughs at the tortoise for its slow speed. Challenge for race. Tortoise moving with its slow speed. Hare moves fast but slips. Tortoise reaches winning point first, wins the challenge. Thank you for listening me children. I hope you have enjoyed the story and also learn how to develop a story using outlines. Thank you once again and have a nice day.